Dr. Valluvan, video lecture series 2, topic 2, type of business activities. Companies' activities are broken down into three categories: operating, investing, and financing activities, which we saw in the last session. In this session, we will be having a look at these three activities in detail. First, operating activities. Activities that are related to providing goods and services are referred to as operating activities. This has an effect on cash flow, which in turn has an effect on income. Operating activities are a business's primary function, such as selling goods or producing a new material. People in a company conduct their department-specific operating activities regularly to help the company to earn a profit. Employee operating activities can include marketing, sales, technology, maintenance, and customer services. If one earn or spend money through the daily operations of the business, such paying employees, they can classify these as operating activities. Some of the examples of operating activities include receiving money for selling goods, receiving interest on loans, receiving investment dividends, purchasing supplies, purchase of raw materials, paying wages, paying interest, paying income tax, all coming under the operating activities. So as far as the business activities, there is some purpose for dividing these activities into three. Easier to analyze whether it is operating activity or investing activity or financing activities. We want to know the reason behind that for classifying the business activities as such. The first and foremost reason is to analyze. To analyze the business, to make the business profitable and growing business. Whatever the business, whatever the nature of business, whether the business size is small or big or medium, for analyze purpose, business activities must be classified. Like operating, investing, and financing activities. Whether the business wanted to invest their money for future growth, that you want to know. So for that purpose, it is classified as a investment activities. Is their performance operationally doing well? Whether the company's performance is operationally doing well, that is, the company is making profit continuously, whether the company's assets are growing. So to know that, the business activities are classified into three. Then from which sources the companies are raising fund, how much the company is needed, what is the requirement of the company. So everything the management wanted to know. For that purpose also, the activities of the business or the company is classified as operating, investing, and financing activities. Take for example, for any kind of business, there may be a number of activities like purchasing, purchase return, sales return, and long-term bad debt provision for doubtful debt. There are so many activities are happening. The business wanted to know why such activities are happening. What is the reason behind that? To answer the questions, the business must know, or the management must know, the activities or nature of those happenings. For that purpose, it is divided into number of activities. So these are the reason behind that. Classifying the business activity is very, very important for any kind of business. We saw what is operating activities. Now we move to the investment activities. Investment activities are actions that people in a business perform to help generate income in future. If a company expects that it can capitalize on its investment in 1 year or more, it classifies this as an investing activity rather than an operating activity. It might include the purchasing buildings or equipment, or merger and acquisitions, taking over the another companies, investment in long-term assets are example for investment activities. If you look at the financing activities is nothing but funding the business. Example, receiving money from loan or bond issuance, receiving money from selling shares, repurchasing of shares, paying money for dividend to the shareholders, paying towards principal loan balances. These are all the example for financing activities. Thank you.